Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Gotv Zambia customer care representative's number. So if you have to activate a new Gotv decoder, or you are having some difficulties on your Gotv decoder and you like to contact them for help, or you are just to make some inquiries about the Gotv products and services, the number will be highlighted on your screen. You pick it and then you call them for help. But if it's about any Gotv related programs, they're going to ask you for the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. That's what will enable them to actually help you solve any problem related to your Gotv decoder. So to even think about getting the number, the first thing that you should get to know is your decoder IUC number or the smart card number, and you proceed to call them for help. So this IUC number or the smart card number, you're going to find it at the back of your decoder. They used to place some stickers over there that have the IUC number and the serial number of your decoder. So you can check it over there and then you dot it down somewhere before you call them. And if you can't find it on your decoder, maybe it has faded off or there's no sticker on your Gotv decoder, all you have to do is to pick up your Gotv remote and you press on the green button on your remote, which is the Gotv logo, and it's going to take you to the Gotv menu. Use the arrow top and down keys and then look for Information Central from the menu, and then you press OK on Information Central. And on this page, first on the list, as you can see, you have the IUC number of your decoder, and that's what they're going to request for them to be able to help you out with any problem related to your Gotv decoder. So the number will be highlighted on your screen, and if you're having the Zambian DSTV number, it's the same as the Gotv number. Gotv and then DSTV are part of multi-choice. So if you have any of them customer care number, it's the same number that you need to contact for them to help you out. And you need to have enough airtime before calling them for help. They're going to deduct at a normal call rate, so you should be aware of it before calling them. And they don't normally work on weekends, so on Sundays you are not likely to get them to help you out on anything. So call them during working hours and you're going to get them to help you out with your program. If this video is being helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, you share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.